Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is gonna be all about tactical gear, tactical drone gear. So it's been like more than a couple of months since I flew my Mini 5 Pro, which I have here. Amazing piece of kit, fantastic drone, highly recommended for a first drone. The tech inside is just insane. So tactical gear for drones, what do I mean by that? If you're a pilot, if you're military, police, this gear I think is very good consideration, guys. Not sponsored by Fitech gear, they sent the product 6-7 months ago actually, and I don't have to make a video about. I received the product for free to test it, and I did one video 3 months, 4 months ago. Also, I did a video with the founder of the Fitech gear. I highly recommend to check the video to see how everything started and the core of the company and all the information about. So yeah, it's fantastic video. Check it in the descriptions down below. So what do I mean by tactical gear? So as a pilot, obviously you use drones, you're in the field, outside. This is a great solution. So this vest here, I will show you when we go outside actually, is for your chest. Comes with a quick release. This is the quick release of the actual vest, and then you attach your controller, as you can see, but I'll show you in proper details when we go outside. And my second favorite product is the Rexton pack, but I'm gonna show you in a separate video. This is amazing, so stay tuned for that. This is amazing with a lot of pockets. So let's go outside and let me show you the vest. Let's start with the controller. As you can see, this is the RC2, but any controller will work, which is good thing. So this is the attachment that we're gonna use to attach our controller. So make sure to remove these two plastic things. Make sure to keep them safe because you don't want to lose them. As you can see, you're gonna need them after. So you remove them, which is, you don't have to remove them, but I remove them just to show you how to do that properly. So keep these two plastic things safe, you're gonna need them later. Now, so take your controller, as you can see, and the controller will rest here, basically behind. So this is the back. So the idea is, behind of the controller, as you can see, you have two holes. So this is how we're gonna attach the controller. So it's pretty straightforward. Make sure to put the things back. So let me show you. So you take one of the screws, and make sure to tighten it properly. Again, I think I moved it a little bit other side. Yeah, that should be perfectly fine. Like I said, this can fit pretty much most of the controllers, which is a great thing, so you don't have to look for a solution. Okay, so we are ready. So as you can see, the controller is ready. The next thing we're gonna need the quick release, but I'm gonna show you after I put the vest. I'm gonna show you now how to put the vest to your body, so it's pretty cool. Let's do that. And now this is the vest. Let me show you how to use it and how to attach it to your body. So as you can see, we have a quick release here. So just snap that. This is very easy. Now take your right hand and make sure to do like this. I usually do it this way, so it's easy. And now just snap the quick release. Then take the zipper on this side, and it's very easy to use with one hand, as you can see. And it's pretty cool, super comfortable, lightweight. And now we're ready to use our quick release and our controller. So take the quick release, super easy to use, as you can see, with one hand. So you just snap it here with one hand, very easy, very comfortable. And now we take our controller. We're gonna do exactly the same thing. So just snaps here, boom, voila. And now we're ready to use our controller hands-free. This is perfect. The vest, like I said, can fit pretty much any size. The good thing is that the arm actually can be adjustable to your liking, so you can move the arm up, down. So again, depends on your use. So on this side here, as you can see, you can move that up and down to your liking. Also, the quick release is very easy to use. So as you can see here, we have a string. So you just pull that, and as you can see, you can remove it so easy. Again, the same thing for the top of the controller. There's a string here. So you just pull that and just push the control towards you. The reason I haven't done this for such a long time, because I haven't been using it since 3 months, but the more you use it, the more easy it's going to be to take the quick release. And this is great because you can use different gear with quick releases. So let's put that back now. And as you can see, we're ready to use our controller and our Mini 5 Pro. And as you can see, I'm ready now. The Mini 5 Pro is here on my left side. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Something that you'll probably notice is that I have my backpack behind, which is pretty cool. So you can use the vest with the backpack. And let me zoom in so you can see properly 2 times lossless zoom with the Mini 5 Pro. Amazing piece of gear. So let me show you, as you can see, the vest, the actual controller, hands-free. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this tactical gear by Fitech gear. They do amazing cool stuff. Again, I'm not sponsored by Fitech gear. I received all this gear around maybe 5-6 months ago, but I decided to make a video because the weather is getting better. I'm planning to use this gear more often, because here in the UK, when the weather is bad, it's just not great. But yeah, let me know, what do you think? As you can see, my hands are completely free and I can just do my job now. So imagine you are in the field, in the construction site. Also, there's some other things that you can do with this gear. I mean, it's just crazy. There's so many ideas. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Again, I can have control now, so if something is happening now, I can see the Mini 5 Pro. I have a proper visual line of sight. My hands are completely free and it's pretty cool. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Mini 5 Pro is amazing drone. And yeah, this is pretty cool. So as you can see, I like it. Leave a comment in the sections down below. Let me know, what do you think, guys? This is SYGTECH. I'll see you guys in the next one.